How to activate Shopify payments. So first of all, you need to head over to the settings and simply go to the payments. Now this is where you're gonna see your Shopify payments. By default, once you have selected your country during the account creation process, your payment methods will going to be decided depending on the country that you have chosen. So by default, I have choose United States at my Shopify location, and as you can see, I have Shopify payments enabled in my payment section. But make sure to select your right country, because if you don't select your right country, it can mess up pretty badly. So you need to make sure to select your right country, whether Shopify payments is available or not. If Shopify payments is not available, you can go with the PayPal as your primary payment method. But for now, if you have Shopify payments available, you need to make sure to read these transaction fees and cart rates, which is going to start at 2.5% with 30 cent. And we also gonna need to provide additional details about our business to start receiving our payments and also accepting payments with Amazon Pay. So let's click on complete account setup. Now actually, it's a two-step process. The first one is we need to submit information about our business, and the next step is we need to turn on two-step authentication. You can simply download any authenticator and click on the turn on. You just need to scan the QR code and put the authentication code in here, and your two-step authentication will going to start automatically. But the most important thing is information about our business. Before we start, make sure that you read all of these terms and conditions. The first one is the basic details about our business, authorized representative of your business. The second one is it's recommended that the person filling out the information is either the owner of the store or someone with a significant role in the business, such as director or executive. So you just need to click on submit details now. And the first step is we need to select our business type, whether we are individual, corporation, LLC, partnership, or non-profit. As for the most Shopify owners, I think you are going to be an individual, so simply click on it. And the next step is we need to enter our employer identification number, which is going to be a 9 digit. Then our street address, our city, and our zip code. Make sure to select the right state, and then you need to enter your own personal details, which includes your name, date of birth, and your social security number, which is again a 9 digit. Then you need to select your product category. Let's say you are in a category of medical services, or let's say digital products. And then you need to also select the subcategory. Then you just need to describe of products or services, which is going to be a brief description. Once you are done, next step is we need to enter our billing statement. So this is going to be like adding our store name and phone number, which is going to appear on our customer's bank statement. So you just need to enter that accordingly and your phone number. Then you need to scroll down and click on submit for verification. So once you have set up your Shopify payment, you can receive payments in your account easily. So hope this helped. This is how you can activate Shopify payments.